Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl again, ibukunoluwa. So in today's vlog, today is a vlog video. As you can see, I'm all ready to storm the street. The street is calling my name. I'm just joking out. So anyways, in today's video, let me try and sit so that you guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Omojumary and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber currently living in Ibadan, Nigeria. Okay. So today is another vlog day. Anyways, I'm due for enjoyment. Not like enjoyment per se, but I'm just due to go. It's been like 2 months that I've not stomped the streets. So at times it's just good to take, it is really good to take your time. If not go out, it might just be at home, watch movie, read books, and just do what you like doing. Anyways, I like going out, not all the time, but at least once in a while. I like making it like a remarkable outing. So in today's vlog, I'm going to IITA. I'm going to put the meaning of IITA on the screen here. It's at IBADAN Nigeria, and I'm going to take you guys along. I'm going to show you everything, and I want this video to be very detailed, like all the vlogs I've been doing are not that long. So the point is, I'm not supposed to really go out today, but I made a promise to my siblings, my sisters, that I was going to take them out for my birthday outing, because I went to Lagos to celebrate my birthday, and they said that okay, I slide them, and also I promised to take them out. I've been postponing, so they hooked me up yesterday that I must take them out today, which is Saturday, and the plan is by 12, but this is the one already. I'm very bad in timing, so help me God. So I'm about to storm out. So I'll take you guys along with me. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like, share, and comment, all that good stuff. Because subscribe. Let's hit 1K subscriber before this year runs out. We might even like have more than 1K subscriber before this year runs out. So I believe and I have faith, and I'm working towards it, because I said I'm back on YouTube fully. I'll be giving you guys at least one video every week, so help me God. Yep. And I hope you will enjoy this video. If you want to see, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys when we are there. The 360 of this. I see. So I'll be going out with my tripod stand. They have a pool there, and basically the place is just like a resource center and agriculture kind of stuff. I will put all the details you need to know about. They do a lot of stuff there, so it comprises of many stuff there. I just didn't even allow us to enter, because my mom was actually chatting with me when I told her that I was going out today. She was like, she's been there before, but she went to their clinic, so they didn't allow people to go inside. I just prayed they allow me to go inside, because I've been fantasizing this place ever since I've been seeing review on it on YouTube, and I was like, okay, I'm in Ibadan, why not? Why can't I visit this place and have some adventure? It's just like some people that likes a kind of a very serious environment, a calm environment, green and plant and all that. That's how all the place is all about. It's not gym place. So guys, I'll take you guys along with me, so stay tuned on my channel, stay connected, and watch this video till the end. Yo, love you. So guys, we are on our way, and there is this heavy traffic here along this LALA road to LALA Songo and Chokodo road. Hey, see traffic, oh, see traffic. I was like, don't allow us to pass this route. Don't let us pass this route. See traffic. God knows when we are going to get there today. And the fact that it's even sunny now. No problem. Let me show you guys the traffic. We've been on traffic from different junctions to another. This is traffic. Hello guys, so we are almost there. This is the road to Monia. If you are coming from UI or your Songo Road, this is where you're going to pass straight down. Can you see this place? I'm actually liking the environment already. So at this point, I was really happy that I was going to enter and spend some time, but I was disappointed because we were supposed to book online and I wasn't aware about that. So guys, so we got there and it was a very big disappointed for me because I wasn't aware I'm supposed to book online and make reservation, whereby you can only access the place if you make reservation and you have to spend at least a night there. So we got there and they asked us for our pass, they asked us for code, they asked us for Gmail, and I was confused at some point and all that. So we asked to send the Gmail to them for the reservation immediately, but it was taking so long for them to reply us and it was already late, so we needed to go back home. And seriously, it was so sad because the journey was not here. It took us like 2 hours from my place to this place, so it was very disappointed. And so after this video, I have a full vlog of the IITA whereby we stayed there. We are entering now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes. Okay, this is another vlog day and it is the continuation of the vlog that I was making. That I'm going to still sit down and explain why I was disappointed, because I was disappointed because I once said it that I was going to IITA to go there to explore and to just enjoy myself there, and I just like the Syria environment. But I was disappointed because I didn't know that I was supposed to make reservation, and immediately I got there I made reservation, but it was like taking so long for them to confirm and send email back to me if we're actually going to be reserved, and they didn't allow us enter without there's a particular Gmail that they were supposed to send to me. So I'm going to still go there and still enjoy. It was later, after like 2 days, it just sent the email back. I was like, what? Like, really? But anyways, I'm still really going to go there again. I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye.